We are committed to the science of 1.5 degrees Celsius. We will be halving emissions across our value chain by FY30 compared to our baseline year FY16, and getting to net zero latest by FY50. 100% renewable energy, 100% renewable electricity is a key enabler to make this commitment happen. Let's zoom into electricity as such. For our Scope 1 and 2 operations, we are already at 100% renewable electricity. For Scope 3, as of FY23, we were at 71% renewable electricity. So there is a job to do from getting from 71 to 100. We look at renewable electricity in a staircase approach. So first priority, or if I may, top of the staircase is generation of renewable electricity on-site. We encourage our supply chain partners to invest in on-site assets. It could be PV panels, wind turbines, CHPs, to generate as much electricity on-site as possible. For suppliers who have a problem with financing, we come in with a €100 million loan program where we help accelerate on-site investments. Middle of the staircase, if I may, is power purchase agreements. Not all the electricity can be generated on site. It's only, we have seen typically 15% is generated on site. For the remaining 85%, we need to look at off-site options. So PPAs is one of them, where we enter into long-term agreements, our suppliers and the vendors as such. It could be a solar park, wind providers as such. And this also brings in additional renewable capacity into the market. And bottom of the staircase is energy attribute certificates. So we put in place a renewable electricity program in June 2021, which has now expanded to 13 countries, constituting 90% of our electricity consumption. And in these 13 countries, we want to get to 100% renewable electricity by FY25.